Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. President Peace, Alafia. Anthony Yonisu. Olúwa ọlọ́kùnbáyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ọlọ́kùnbáyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé àjẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olùdá àbúrò lábí ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òkè. Èyí tó dábò wà ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. Àwẹ̀ ọ́, àwẹ̀ ọ́, àwẹ̀ ọ́.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Winje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. So today I want to quickly share with you how to use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 materials to attract rich men or rich women. Believe me, if you apply this lotion, if you apply it, people will start calling you, showing you a favor by the grace of Almighty God. So I want to show you the material one by one. I want to show you the materials one by one. So the first one is Define Grace. Define Grace. This is Define Grace. Define Grace. So the second one is Sand from Sea. Yepokun. Sand from the sea. Sand. It's not ordinary sand though, from sea. What that you get from the sea, right? And the third material is Omi Okun, sea water. This is sea water. Sea water. The fourth material is coconut. 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 The fifth material is Abiri. Abiri seed. Abiri seed. Abiri seed. Please, if you don't know Abiri seed, let me know. Or maybe I will try to, after I end this video, you can check the description of this video. I will try to write out the botanical name of Abiri. Please, if you know the botanical name of Abiri, please send me to write it. So this is Abiri, right? This is Itun and Ifa. In one of my videos, I explain how to use this bead. Itun and Ifa. Have you seen it? So those are the 7 materials we want to use. Believe me, when you do this simple remedy, when you are using it, to God who made me, you will surely share me a good testimony. So please, you need to follow my instruction, how to do it and how to use it. Please, I'm coming. So let's start from this Define Grace. You are going to You are going to open it. So you are going to open this defined grace, right? You turn the perf, you turn it to another. You turn it to another empty rubber. You understand? So you need empty of this. You need the empty rubber, right? So the next thing you are going to do is to add sea sand. You put it in this plastic rubber. Sea sand, not ordinary sand. You put it in this rubber. It's not that you are going to fill up the rubber. No. Put the sand. Please, if you know the botanical name of abiri, please help me to write it out, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. Because of those that do not understand Yoruba language, so they will be able to understand the material. I want you to try this simple remedy, and you share me your testimony. We need more of this sand. We need more of this sand. So this one is okay. This one is okay. So the next thing you are going to do, if you want to do it for maid, you need 9 pieces of abiri. Abiri. You need 9 pieces of it. If you want to do it for female, you need 7 pieces. So now, this one belongs to female. So I will add 7 of this abiri. I will add it to it. 1, 2, 2. Make sure you remove the cover. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, right? So the next thing we are going to add is either you add Itun or Ifa. When you go to all this Elewe selling spiritual material, tell them that you want to buy Itun and Ifa. This bead. So we are going to remove this bead. For female, we need 7. For male, we need 9. 9 of this bead. So let me remove the bead. So this is 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, the bead, when you look at the bead, this one is different from this one. Itun and Ifa. You understand? So you need 7 of this one too. 7. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. That's all. This thing is too big, you. Okay. And you need, I forgot to mention this, the last material, that is cowrie. You need cowrie. But this one is too big, you. Let me go and get another one. This one is too big. You need cowrie. Cowrie. You will put cowrie in that empty rubber. Let me get small cowrie. So please, if you want to buy cowrie, make sure you buy original cowrie. Beg them to give you original cowrie, not the plastic one. No, not the plastic one. Original cowrie. So you are going to put this cowrie in that on that sand and abiri, right? So the next one you are going to do is to add sea water. You add small of this water. You add it to it. Small of this water. You add it to it. You add it to it. So the next thing you are going to do, you now use something like this sharp object. Now you open one face from the coconut. You open one face. Don't break the coconut. Don't break the coconut. You open one face. Now turn the water in turn all the water inside the plastic. You still have water there. Don't eat the coconut. Throw it away, please. So you don't have anything to do with this coconut. Throw it away. Don't eat it, please. So the next thing you are going to do is to turn back the perfume. You turn it inside the plastic rubber. Please, if you like this video, let me to like it. If you don't understand, please feel free to comment or you call me on the 07037422552. Then you cover it. You cover it, and you close the chapter. Believe me. Believe me. People, let me tell you one thing about this perf. When you put this cowrie, you follow my the same thing I did. When you follow my instruction, you will notice that this cowrie, if it is original, that is why you need to beg those people selling cowrie. You understand? You need to beg them, please tell them to give you original cowrie. If you put original cowrie, when you put it and you add seawater to it, you will see the cowrie, it will float. You understand? It will float. So when you put coconut water, it will also float. But when you add this perf, when you add it to it, you now find out the cowrie will now come down. You understand? It will come down. You not see it floating again. It will come down. You understand? So go and keep this perf at least for 7 days. 7 days. If you like, you can shake it. If you like, you can shake it. You can shake it. And you leave it for 7 days. All the sand, the bead, coconut water, and this, they will settle down. You understand? They will settle down. So early in the morning, before you go out, before you commence your daily activities, after bathing, just take small from the perf. You apply it. You can apply it your face, your hand, all over your body. Are you with me? It's very simple and very, very effective. So if you have any question to ask me, please feel free to comment. Feel free to call me on the 07037422552. Before I end this video, So if you know that, if you know understand the instruction or the step, please let me know, and please don't do it on your own. You need to follow my instruction. So that is how to do it. Simple as ABC. You need, this sand is not ordinary sand though. Don't go and get sand from outside and you add salt to it. This is sea salt. Sea sand. Sorry, sea sand, and this is sea water. Don't use ordinary water. Don't use rainwater. So that is how to do it. If you love this video, please help me to like this video. You comment. As you like my video, you comment. May Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Yes, Mr. Ibrahim Bolan. Thank you, sir. So I want to end this video today, since you don't have anything to ask me. And if you want to ask me question, you can call me after this program. You call me on the 070-3742-2552. Thank you for watching. Àwọn tá a fi ṣe rí náà, àwọn nìkan ń jẹ. Tó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba, ìwé ń jẹ. Ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà, ẹni tí ò lágọ̀ kò lè mọye tán. Tágọ̀ bó bá dọ̀jà jẹ ti gbọ́. Ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o, tó bá rí wúra, aṣọ dàbí. Ìwé ń jẹ. Lẹ́yìn ìyá ọlọ́run ọba, ohun tó fi ṣe wúlò fáwọn ọmọ ènìyàn. Làwọn ń lò ewé. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. President Peace, àlàáfíà, áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Olúwa òkú ọlọ́kùnbáyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ọlọ́kùnbáyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ajẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ ká bọ́ sún mi lójoojúmọ́. Ewé La ilaha illallah, Allawalu, Allakiru, Asahiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alẹ́ ọgbà yìí dá mi yó, àyà tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlù ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo. Ó fọyà kù rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá bá fún mọ́jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. Àbẹ̀ ọ́ fún wa. Torí ọmọ kó báyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ọ̀nà kó báyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ mi ká bọ́ sórí mi lójoojúmọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn tá a fi ṣe rí náà, àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ. Tó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba, ìwé ń jẹ. Ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà, ẹni tí ò lágọ̀ kò lè mọye tán. Tágọ̀ bó bá dọ̀jà jẹ ti gbọ́. Ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o, tó bá rí wúra, aṣọ dàbí. Ìwé ń jẹ. Lẹ́yìn ìyá ọlọ́run ọba, ohun tó fi ṣe wúlò fáwọn ọmọ ènìyàn. Làwọn ń lò ewé.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Prison B. Alafia. Anthony Yonisu.